All right, so I have been adjusting our deck lid gap and hammer and dollying the majority of the big issues out. And I've been working my way from the top down. And once I got down here, we have a factory seam and then a handful of not so factory seams that were leaded over. I believe it was done a while ago. It was good lead work. However, underneath we found some concerning spots. This patch is not one of them, but we have these little spots of relatively heavy corrosion. I'll have to kind of dig into it more to feel out how good the metal is. But that's something that popped up underneath the lead. We're gonna go ahead and pull all the lead off of the back of the car to check for more of this. And hopefully we won't have any, and we'll just be able to get her all fixed up and looking good again.
All right, Brad's been on this and the back half. Same thing we've gone through. I mean, we removed old lead here. Rust, somebody else's repair from whenever, 70s, whatever. It looks like they put this piece in. We fixed the bottom, we fixed this. This was all cracking through here on the inside. I know he showed you how we had to cut this open to get to somebody where they MIG welded it all through it, and it was all cracking. The more we worked on other places, the other old work keeps haunting us. Yep. This right here, the MIG weld's really brittle, so when we hammer and dolly it and try to bring the metal up smoother, so when we go to put lead and everything over it, it won't be as much. It cracks. It cracked all through here on Brad. So we're gonna take the TIG welder and go right through it, and Brad's gonna go all around it and TIG it up, and then we're gonna try to smooth it up. I really wanted to be going on the lead and finishing this and smoothing it, but we run into another little spot, and if you come up here, George, and run the camera down it, you'll see how much of a dip it's quite a bit.
It's a good chunk. And yep. I can shine a light on the inside, and we can get a picture of the pretty patchwork going on.
Well, we didn't look into it. It had body putty on the inside over where they did. I know where the factory is, but so we're almost done with this area. We just want to move on and not have cracks come back on us. Same thing, we ran into the quarter, the door area, the front. Once we move through this, we ought to be moving on.
Okay, all right, so I got this patch here that I made up on Saturday, tacked in, and it was a little tough to feel on the off the car, but now that I have it in and on, I'm gonna be taking it back off to fine tune my shape up here and just a little bit right through here. So what I'm getting is I'm just a bit high right through here. And I'm going to try and transfer that off the metal to bring this line right here down to bring some more definition in so that it's much closer to the original. And then I need to kind of relax this side so that this edge can come down right where I want it. It's super close, as you can see. I can push it down, but I'd really rather weld it in where the metal is happy and relaxed. It'll make a much longer lasting piece.
The only spot you bucked up a little tiny bit is right there. And you probably
right there,
it'll hammer. It'll hammer real quick.
Yeah, I mean all these hammers are pretty big.
Yeah, you really right there smooth as shit. it full?
This angle is so hard
it went
to see
in.
from.
You got a tack. You're real good right here.
I really can't see from that angle.
Now, well, you gotta get where I'm at.
Yeah, because I'm kind of looking like across it rather than at it.